Little storyteller.
Coral, a mermaid with bright pink hair that floated around her like seaweed in a gentle current, had a wonderful idea. She loved helping her friends in the Great Blue Reef make their homes extra special. So, she started a show called Reef Renovation. Her first guest was Sheldon, a shy sea snail with a plain gray shell. Sheldon's coral home was a little bit dull. Coral swam around his coral, her sparkly tail swishing gently. "Sheldon," she said, with a bubbly giggle, "let's add some color." With the help of Ollie the octopus, whose wiggly arms were perfect for carrying things, they carefully planted bright pink and sunny yellow anemones around Sheldon's coral. The anemones swayed gently in the water, their soft tentacles tickling passing fish. Next, Coral and Ollie found beautiful pearly shells scattered on the sandy bottom. They carefully placed these shells around Sheldon's coral, making it sparkle like a treasure chest. Sheldon watched with wide, happy eyes as his home transformed. When they were finished, Sheldon peeked out of his newly decorated home. The bright anemones waved hello, and the shells shimmered in the sunlight filtering through the water. "Wow," Sheldon said, his voice filled with joy. "My home is so beautiful now. Thank you, Coral and Ollie." Coral smiled, her pink hair bobbing. "It was fun helping you, Sheldon. It's always nice to share ideas and work together to make something wonderful." Ollie the octopus wiggled his arms in agreement. It made them happy to see their friend so pleased with his new colorful home. And here's a fun fact. Anemones and clownfish are best friends. The anemones gives the clownfish a safe place to live, and the clownfish helps keep the anemones clean. It's like they are helping each other decorate their home.
Please subscribe. Thank you.